guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Britney Louise. How you doing? Hey, hello. Today is going to be a mighty good day because we are talking about Sir John and his release with Luminess Beauty for the Lion King live action movie that will be out in theaters real soon. That was really bad. Sorry guys. Sir John and Luminess teamed up together and created the Lion King makeup collection. And baby, this collection's got action. I'm talking about a can't wait to be a queen eyeshadow palette, sculpting palette. Oh, and my child, a gorgeous circle of life palette. Oh, and if that's not enough, babies, we've got liquid lips and lipstick. We're gonna review all of that today. Yes, I know I'm cheesy, whatever. Now, if you don't know who Sir John is, well, baby girl, baby boy, let me inform you before you go out in the world and start talking, okay? Sir John is the makeup artist to the one and only Beyonce Knowles Carter, okay? Our A1 day one, the one that slays on her. And we all know not to, you know, make the movie about Beyonce, but we all know that Beyonce's voice will be played in the movie. And why not have her A1 makeup artist Sir John create a beautiful collection for this movie? It only makes sense. Now, before we get started, I can't help but notice that maybe some of you aren't new subscribers, so go ahead and smack that subscribe button because you're gonna have fun with me anyway on here, okay? Whether you watch this video all the way through or you watch any of my other videos, you're gonna have fun with me. So you might as well go ahead and smack the subscribe button right now. If you are already one of my day ones, go ahead and smack the like button. Give me a thumbs up because you know I really appreciate the love that you guys give me, okay? So let's go ahead and let's get started with this because I am ready to dig right into this, okay? You zoomed in enough because I feel like you are. Don't you move, girl. I wanna play with all of these shades here. We're gonna try to use as many colors as we can, you guys, okay? But we're gonna build up our crease first. So I'm gonna start with African clay. And I'm just going to take my MAC 224S brush and just place that shade right in here in a circular motion so we can build it up. Build it up. Is there a haunt? Is there a haunt in the house tonight? Stand up. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I'm in a singing mood. Y'all know I can't sing, but just let me entertain y'all, okay? I'm gonna take my clean, fluffy brush, my Chikuhodo brush, blend it out up into these eyebrows that need manicure. Oh, they need some manicuring. Now I'm gonna build up and go into Pride Rock here. Build me up some nice drama-filled eyes. That's all I need in life. All I need in this life is me and this Pride Rock. So I'm gonna go in with Sire. And I'm gonna take my flat brush and just look down into the palette's mirror and place this shade down all over my eyelid. And I think I'm gonna take it up and fade it out about halfway over up top, and at the bottom leave a little bit of space because I want to put Mufasa there. This purple is a gorgeous jewel tone. I wonder how it lays wet, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my Cover FX. Oh yeah, it intensifies it a lot more. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but I can. It's really pretty. It's pretty dry, but I just feel like it brings out more of that jewel tone underneath when I wet my brush. So I'm gonna go in with Mufasa in the corner. I'm gonna use my finger. Oh, that's really pretty. I'm going to pat on Simba just to kind of melt that in with Mufasa to give myself like a little bit of a highlight when I turn my eyes, if that makes sense. You ever just look at yourself and be like, girl, you still got it. Stop playing. That's how I feel right now. I'm gonna take my Sephora waterproof eyeliner, and it's just a black eyeliner. First, I'm gonna tight line up top. Then I'm gonna create a little bit of magic here. I'm gonna go in with a dome brush and I'm going to blend out the ends of my eyeliner. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm the shade 525. And you know, I just want to do a little something different. Am I horrible for using a Fenty brush for a L'Oreal product? I just noticed what I just did, y'all. Am I a hot mess for that? Don't be mad at me. It's literally my only clean. Oh, that's not true. I had another clean foundation brush I could have used. Oh, well, it'd be all right. Unless you just really hate me for that, then you need to talk to yourself. You need to have a conversation, a heart-to-heart with yourself about that, kid. Because I don't have anything to do with that. Can I be in a L'Oreal commercial? Infallible. No? Okay, I'm going to also use the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer, the shade Honey, and the shade Espresso. Actually, to be honest, I'm not going to use Espresso. I really want to see how the sculpting palette does without it. And I'm going to take my flathead brush and go right underneath before I use my finger to kind of like guide myself and pat using my ring finger right underneath. I forget how well this Infallible sets, honey. She said like Dipset, Dipset, Dipset. I'm not even done. I'm already a bad mama, all right? Ooh. So now we're going to go back to the eyes. We're going to do the meadows first. And I really just want to get right in here. Now I'm going to wipe off my brush, my detailed brush. And I'm going to go back in with Zazu. Oh, yeah, just a little hint of Zazu. Disrespecting. Trying to call the shots. Ooh, this is so pretty, you guys. I'm going to put my lashes on first before I do my corner highlight. Okay, so now that these lashes are on and popping, ooh, yeah. Now I'm going to go in and put a corner highlight on. And I'm going to go ahead and put Nala on the corner of my eyes. Beautiful eyes. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so we got the sculpting palette, same concept. Oh, we don't know if this is Daddy Simba, if this Mufasa, who this is. I love that all these palettes come with mirrors. That's what I love about these the most. We've got 6 colors. I'm gonna mess up this first one. It looks like all of these are gonna be, no matter what shade you are, friendly. I'm hoping so. Pumbaa, Dusk, Marula, Cub, Heritage, and Kasai. Why do I feel like I'm saying that wrong? Because I actually know what that is. You know how you see a word, and when you see it, you don't know what it is, but then when you hear it, you be like, ah, I know what that is. I feel like that's what Kasai is, and I know I'm saying it wrong. I want to see how Kasai looks. Wow, Kasai is like a really nice ash undertone with it. And you, ooh, child, you don't need a lot of this. It's real pigmented. Hold on, player. Kind of want to see what a little bit of warmth from Pumbaa would do. A little bit of something. It's adding like a little bit of jazziness to it. Pumbaa, Pumbaa, Pumbaa. You guys, I haven't even gone into the Heritage yet. I don't even know if I should I? Let's see. How you gonna have a Pumbaa but not a Timon? Okay, Sir John. I might have to have a little argument with you on that one. How you have a Pumbaa but no Timon? Marula could have been Timon. I mean, it could have been Timon. I can use the majority of these shades in this sculpting palette. And I thought it was going to be too light. I'm not going to lie. I was like, I don't know about that. I don't know about that one right here. But, okay. Sir John did not come to play. He came to shut me up. Okay, so I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose with Pumbaa and Kasai. Here's a fantastic trick. If you ever are worried about how you contour, flare your nose. And it'll give you the perfect, like, line. You see what I'm saying? Like a little snarl. Flare your nose. Flare your nose. You're welcome. Just thought I'd let you know. Woo! When I tell you I used probably like, what is it, 6 colors? I used 4 out of 6. That's unheard of for my chocolate self. I love it. I love it. Now we're going to get into the Circle of Life highlighter. Don't even act like you don't know that I'm not gonna do this. In the circle of life. Highlighting palette. Oh, this is so cute. That is so cute. Yes, Mufasa. Man, I just love that. I'm telling you, everything got a mirror. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, let's see if we like it. I love the imprint, too, that are on these. Hey, Lioness. Did you come here today to show out? I sure did. Oh, this is cute. Okay, honey bunny. Oh, you don't need a lot of this at all, you guys. You know, okay, so I originally wanted to just get this to just have it as a collection, but I honestly want to just buy some more. Because I actually want to use it. Like, there are some collections that you're just like, I'm not going to name some companies that do collections, and it's like you can only use like one thing. It's not really, and so you're like, well, it's just a little collectible. It'll be all right. You know what I'm saying? Like, these are collectibles to me, but I also want to use them, so I just want to buy more. Oh, man, y'all, this highlight ain't no joke. Like, you really don't need a lot at all. Girl, where you think you going? To get me a Luminess. I might get in trouble for that one. I was just playing, baby. This is so pretty. And I just set with my Cover FX setting spray, dewy finish. Golly, I'm fine. When I tell you my nose ain't been this perfectly highlighted and contoured in a while, oh my God. Oh my God. Honey, we gotta go somewhere. Okay, let's move on. So I got 2 lips in the, what is this, the Spotlight collection? Whose collection is this? Yeah, Standing in the Spotlight collection. And I got Romantic Atmosphere. I told you I'm a sucker for romance, darling. And I've got Pound. So we're gonna try both of them. And it's the Be Brave Matte Lipstick. Oh my goodness, look at that. I love the lines, the rivets, all of that. It's a very well thought out line. So soft. When I'm wearing a shade like this, because I naturally have a little bit of discoloration on the edges of on the outside of my lips, it kind of works as a lip liner. So, you know, don't always think you got something negative on you. You know what I'm saying? Find a way to make it work. Let me put a little spray on me. I just want to, you know, look a little sexy. You know? Hey, it's me. Lioness Bella. I don't know. You know what? One day, I'm telling y'all, one day I'm going to have a clavicle and I'm going to shut it down. Don't let me get to the point where my clavicles are showing. I'm going to shut it down. But until then, y'all going to get this little chunky neck. Oh, this is cute though. Oh, I love it. So now we're going to try our last lip. And it is called Romantic Atmosphere. Like, this is so beautiful. My kind of red. Man, they did such a good job on this. This packaging. The packaging alone makes me love the whole line. Let's pop her on. Okay, first of all, that is soft. You guys. Let me tell y'all something. You can't tell me nothing. I just look dangerous. I look like you shouldn't mess with me. You gonna get in a world of trouble messing with me. She is sultry. Oh, this is such a sexy red lip. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Which lip was your favorite on me? Okay guys, so that completes this review, you guys. Woo! I feel like we went through a lot today. What I will say is my favorite product, it's not even an eyeshadow palette, you guys. I've already said it. It's the sculpting palette. I think the sculpting palette is like so popping and so bomb. I want another one. So try not to take them all before I order me another sculpting palette if it's not already sold out. I feel like the sculpting palette was the star of the show for me, you guys. Not the eyeshadow palette. I just really enjoyed how I basically chiseled out my face. Second favorite would be this beautiful highlight. I mean, oh, woo! I am excited to see what this highlight looks like on every skin tone. I know for me, I feel like I'm magazine ready. I'm editorial ready. But as far as the eyeshadow palette, I think the eyeshadow palette is very pretty. I would have loved to see, like if I was being all nitpicky and weird, I would have loved to see a nice black in here, sparkly black. And like an orange. When I say orange, I mean like a shimmery jewel tone. But you know, that's just me. Overall, the shadow performance is pretty nice. Especially the mattes. The mattes perform so well. They blend so well. I think that this palette can also be used for every day. I think there's like a little bit of pizzazz in here, but not overwhelming. Oh, and the lips. Love these lips. The lipstick is so stinking plush, and so is the liquid lip. I want more of them. You can tell that there was detail, there was thought that went into this special edition release. I mean, the packaging is just to die for. I literally want more because of the packaging, and it's just a beautiful collector's item. This is one of my favorite collections I've ever seen with Disney movie. Luminess Beauty and Sir John, y'all really did that. I just, oh my gosh. I feel like this is a collection, you know what I mean? The way the packaging is, just the layout, the details from the prints on the lipstick. There is some dedication that went into this. You can really tell that Sir John put his heart into this project. You can see it clear as day. It doesn't look like anything that's been thrown together just for a coin, okay? That's what I'm trying to tell you. I believe that this is absolutely worth buying, especially the sculpting palette, because I love it. And I am a dark brown skin woman that can use more than just one shade in the sculpting palette. Several of these shades. That's all I have to say about this collection as a whole. Let me know what you think in the comments below, you guys. I thank you so much for hanging out with me. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, especially if you had a good time with me and you love the look that I created with you guys today, okay? Hi to all my new followers. It's so good to see you. It's so good to have you a part of this family. If you've watched the video this long, go ahead and give me a thumbs up because you stuck it out with me, okay? You stuck it out with me, and therefore you should go ahead and toss a thumbs up on our channel, okay? All right, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.